Aavas Financials, a name you have probably scrolled up past 100 times. But what if I told you this silent performer has quietly built wealth while others chase the noise? Back in 2020, when RBI slashed interest rate, Aavas just did not survive, but it thrived, expanding its reach into the hearts of India's affordable housing dream. And now as the market begins to whisper about the possible future rate cuts again, this under the radar stock is forming a technical chart which is worth watching. Keep watching. The big story is not what was done in the past, but what might happen next. So now the question is, what is the business model of Aavas Finance? Aavas Finance is the company that gives home loan to people who want to buy or build a house. It mainly helps people with low or middle income, especially those who are self-employed and lives in small towns or villages in India. Aavas gives different types of loans. These include home loans for buying or building house, loans for repairing house, loans by keeping property as a security, and MSME loans. The company earns money by giving these loans and charging interest on them. Aavas is growing fast by giving more loans every year. In FY 2022, Aavas has given loans worth of 3,602 crore. The amount is increased to 5,582 crore in FY 24. In the first half of the current financial year, the company has already given 2,504 crore. This means that more and more people are trusting on Aavas to take home loans. Aavas is also expanding by opening more branches. In FY 22, the company has a 314 branches. Now in Q2 FY 25, the number is increased to 372. These numbers are spread across 14 states in India. Most branches are in Rajasthan, followed by Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Rest are spread across other states. Looking at the future, Aavas has a big plans. It wants to increase the number of branches to over 600 by year 29-30. The company is planning to grow more in South India, especially in the states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Aavas is also using modern technology to make loan process easier and faster. The company started two major digital projects, Project Gati and Project Unnati. By the help of these projects, reduce paperwork, speed up the loan process and giving better service to the customer. Aavas has partnered with the leading tech companies like Salesforce, MuleSoft, AWS and Oracle. Using Salesforce alone, the company has already processed more than 1.9 lakh loan applications. Now I'll discuss guidance and outlook. The company plans to grow its loan book by 20% every year and aims to reach 50,000 crore in the next 5 years. They are confident that loan disbursement will grow over 20% in FY 26, supported by the new branches and a better capacity. They want to bring back profit margins to over 5% and believe that falling interest rates won't hurt them as their pricing adjusts slowly based on funding cost. Operating expenses are expected to reduce further in FY 26 due to better use of technology and branch efficiency. The company also believes that bad loans will fall below 1% in the next 1 to 2 quarters as early signs of delay in payments have already improved. Under the risk and underwriting, the company became more careful while giving loans in the last quarter, especially in some western states and risky areas. Because of these, only 38% of loan applications were approved, down from 42%. They believe this will improve once the overall situation gets better. They are careful but hopeful about MSME loans and are ready to grow in the segment when returns look upper. Now I'll discuss leadership. Sachinder Binder is the managing director and the CEO of Aavas Finance. He holds engineering and MBA degree. He has having more than 25 years of experience including ICICI Lombard, HDFC, Standard Chartered and spent 16 years with Kotak Mahindra Bank to manage the portfolio worth 40,000 crore. Now discuss finance. Aavas Financials has a market cap close to 15,000 crore and it trades at the P of around 26, which is below its 5 years median P of 37.2. Return ratio are decent with the ROC at 10.1% and ROE at 14.1%. March quarter was its best so far with the record sales of 636 crore and the highest ever profit of 154 crore. For FY 25, it clocked 2,355 crore in revenue and 574 crore in the profit. Both are all-time highs. Asset quality remains strong with the gross NPA at 1.08% and the net NPA at 0.73%. Promoter hold 26.4%, while FII sound nearly 30%, and Aquilo House PT Limited holds 22.50%. Public holding is 10.61%, which is adds a mix healthy to the shareholding base. Now discuss technical. On the technical front, Aavas Financials had a strong start after listing, delivering over 300% return in just 3.5 years. This sharp rally was followed by a significant correction, mainly due to the stretch valuation. Since October 22, the stock has been in a consolidation phase, moving within a range without clear direction. Interestingly, the price structure is shaping into a classic cup with handle pattern. This formation reflects a period of accumulation and stability. What are your thoughts on this chart? Share your views in the comment below. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. We'll be back in next video. Till time, happy investing.